There's a kind of beauty that doesn't announce itself. It begins at the door. A bench that invites you to stay. Stone that has learned patience. Light that knows exactly where to fall. Every surface chosen. Every imperfection kept. Because the things that are worn by time are the things worth keeping. A room doesn't need to be full to feel complete. Sometimes a sofa, a flame, and the right kind of silence is everything. The kitchen isn't just where you cook, it's where mornings begin, where hands wrap around something warm, and the day hasn't asked anything of you yet. Marble that remembers the earth it came from, brass that ages like a story. Some rooms aren't made for rushing. Stone, water, light, and nothing else you need to be. And then there's the room where the world stops. Linen that breathes, light that forgives, a bed that doesn't just hold you, it lets you disappear. You can feel it, can't you? The thread, the weave, the quiet. And the smallest room holds the biggest promise. Handmade things, waiting for little hands. A space built not for perfection, but for the most imperfect, beautiful thing in the world.